Hello there. Do you know about the gold you're wearing right now? Maybe on your finger, around your neck, or hidden inside a phone in your pocket. But what if I told you gold was never meant to exist on Earth? It wasn't formed in volcanoes. It wasn't created when the planet was born. Gold was forged in one of the most violent events the universe has ever seen. For thousands of years, humans believed gold came from deep inside the earth. Kings fought wars for it. Empires collapsed because of it. We called it precious, rare, almost divine. But Earth doesn't have enough energy to create gold. Not even close. To create gold, atoms must be crushed together under impossible conditions. Temperatures hotter than the sun. Pressures stronger than anything on Earth. Even exploding stars, supernovae, struggle to make it. So the question is, where did gold really come from? Somewhere in the universe, massive stars die. When they collapse, they don't become planets, they become neutron stars. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh 1 billion tons. They are so dense, atoms themselves are crushed. And when two of these stars exist in the same system, they begin to dance, slowly, over millions of years. Two neutron stars spiral toward each other, faster, closer, until finally, they collide. In less than a second, the universe releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. This explosion is called a kilonova. Inside that explosion, conditions become perfect. Neutrons slam into atomic nuclei at unimaginable speed. Atoms grow heavier and heavier until gold is born, along with platinum and uranium, entire elements forged in seconds. The explosion throws these elements across space, dust, rocks, particles, traveling for billions of years. Eventually, some of that stardust lands on a young planet called Earth. Every piece of gold you've ever seen fell from the sky. Gold is older than Earth, older than mountains, older than oceans. It survived a cosmic catastrophe, traveled across the universe, just to end up in human hands. So the next time you see gold, remember this: you're not holding a medal. You're holding the remains of two dead stars. If you liked and enjoyed this video, then subscribe to Sappyverse for more videos.